Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have positive number 4. And first derivative of number 10, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Next, we divide both sides by number 4. So we have 2s plus 1 ds. So this one we change by u. 2s plus 1 ds we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.